So next question. It's finished or not? Hello, this is finished or not? Okay. Right. This is a hello. This is the most important question now. Okay. In figure, in figure, in figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral. In figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral. In figure, PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral, and T and U are respectively T and U. T and U are respectively T and U are respectively on PS and RS such that PQ equal to RQ. PQ equal to RQ. Angle PQT, angle PQT equal to angle RQU. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. I mark, don't add that one. Angle PQ, angle TQS, angle TQS. Angle TQS equal to angle TQS equal to angle UQS. UQS. Prove that QT equal to QU. Prove that QT equal to QU. QT equal to QU. Okay. Hello, listen. PQRS, listen once again. PQRS is a quadrilateral. PQRS is a quadrilateral, and TU are respectively on PS and RS respectively, such that PQ equal to QR. PQ equal to QR. Angle PQT equal to angle RQU. Then angle TQS equal to angle UQS. Show that QT equal to QU. Okay, listen here. Hello, don't start. In figure, we can see PQ equal to QR. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. Angle 3 equal to angle 4. What do you have to prove? QT equal to QU. Okay, draw. Right, given what you have to prove and draw. Okay. Are you getting or not? If not getting, this is one of the star question. Hello, you not given, draw figure, given proof and everything. Ahmed. Okay, look at here. I'll explain here. Listen out. Hello, look at here. Look. Angle 1 equal to angle 2, number 1, given. Angle 3 equal to angle 4, number 2, given. Angle 1 plus angle 3 equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. That is angle PQS equal to angle RQS. Okay, after that, in triangle PQS and triangle RQS, PQ equal to RQ, given. Angle PQS equal to angle RQS, proved. Okay, QS equal to QS. Therefore, triangle PQS congruent to triangle RQS, SAS congruency. Okay, right up to that. Not finished. Right up to here. Okay. Hello, right? You can see the board now. Okay, right up to here. Okay, so right up to here, triangle PQS congruent to triangle RQS. PQS congruent to RQS. Okay, this is clear or not? Finish or not? Okay, okay, I'll wait. Okay, everything in the board. This is the most important question. Okay. Okay. So now after that, look at here. Hello. After this, look, we got triangle PQS congruent to triangle RQS. So angle P equal to angle R, CPCT. CPCT. Okay. After that, look at here, don't write. Take the triangle PQT. Take the triangle PQT and RQU. Triangle PQT and RQU. PQ equal to RQ given. Angle P equal to angle R proved. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Therefore, triangle PQT congruent to triangle RQU. PQT congruent to triangle RQU. ASA congruency. ASA congruency. Hence, QT equal to QU. QT equal to QU. Okay, write down. Right. In triangle PQT, in triangle PQT, in triangle PQT and RQU, in triangle PQT and RQU, angle P equal to angle R. How will prove it? QTS, how will prove? Which congruency? Akshaya. Yeah. ASA. How ASA? Yeah, he's saying S, right? PQS and S also, right? Okay. You're telling S. Okay. No, no, okay. Right. In triangle PQT, in triangle PQT and RQU, RQU. Angle P equal to angle R proved. Angle P equal to angle R proved. PQ equal to QR. PQ equal to QR. PQ equal to QR given. Angle 1 equal to angle 2 given. Therefore, triangle PQT congruent to triangle RQU. RQU. Okay. Hence, by ASA congruency. Hence, QT equal to QU. QT equal to QU. Okay. Everyone check this one. It's very important question. Make sure this one. Okay. Everyone check. Any doubt? Tell me now. This question. Okay. It's very important question. Okay. Ansel, finish. Dinesh, Glenn. Okay. Okay. No, no problem. I'll wait. Shayan, I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Tell him when you finish. Okay. I'll wait. Okay, finish. Okay. Okay. So next question. Right. In figure, PQRS is a square. PQRS is a square. In figure, PQRS is a square. In figure, PQRS is a square. In figure, PQRS is a square. SRT is an equilateral triangle. SRT is an equilateral triangle. In figure, PQRS is a square. In figure, PQRS is a square. SRT is an equilateral triangle. SRT is an equilateral triangle. Prove that PT equal to QT. Prove that PT equal to QT. PT equal to QT. Prove that PT equal to QT. Prove that PT equal to QT. Okay, try now. This many times we did this question here. Prove that PT equal to QT. Okay. Okay. PQRS is a square. SRT is an equilateral triangle. Prove that PT equal to QT and angle TQR 15 degree. Angle TQR equal to 15 degree. Okay. Okay. You try now this one. Okay, try this one. I don't know. You try. Okay. Hello. Are you getting or not? Is it getting or not? Okay, 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 okay. I'll wait. Okay. Okay. Now look at here. Hello. Listen here. If not getting, listen. We did many times this question here. Okay. Look. Angle PSR equal to PSR equal to angle QRS equal to 90. Correct or not? PSR equal to QRS 90. Each angle of a square. Angle PSR equal to angle TRS equal to 60. Each angle of a equilateral triangle. Add both. Angle PSR plus angle TSR equal to angle QRS plus angle TRS equal to 150. This is 150. That is angle PST equal to angle QRT equal to 150. Okay, after that, in triangle in triangle PST, QRT, PS equal to QR, sides of a square. Angle PST equal to angle QRT, 150 degree. Proved. ST equal to RT. ST equal to RT. Each side of equal triangles. Therefore, triangle PST congruent to QRT. SAS congruency. SAS congruency. Hence, PT equal to QT. Hence, PT equal to QT. Up to here, okay? Is it okay or not? Okay. If not getting, write this one. First, you write angle PSR. Ashrak, you got this one. Yenda, Dren, Ansel, Marsuk. Look, angle PSR. Look, angle PSR equal to angle angle QRS. Each angle of a square. Angle TSR equal to angle TRS. Sorry, angle TSR equal to angle TSR equal to 60 degree. Adding both, we get angle PST equal to angle QRT equal to 150 degree. Then in triangle PST and QRT, PS equal to QR, sides of a square. Angle PST equal to QRT, 150 degree. Proved. ST equal to RT, each side of a equilateral triangle. Therefore, triangle PST congruent to QRT. SAS congruency. Hence, PT equal to QT. First part is proved. PT equal to QT. PT equal to QT. Okay, one more part is there. One more part is what? Angle TQR equal to 15 degree. TQR equal to 15 degree. You got this one? TQR equal to 15 degree got. Okay. Hello. All got that. Second part. Marsuk. You got? Minna. Namida. You got the second part. Okay, finish. So on second part also got, right? Marsuk, got the second part. You didn't get it? Okay, look at here then. Hello. Look. For second part, look at here. How many times you did this, man? You did only one test also. This chapter. Look. This is the problem you didn't study for the test. So last Thursday, how you learn? Look. QR, look at here now. QR equal to RS. Number 3. 1 and 2 you use now. Okay. RS equal to RT. Number 4. This one equal to this equal to this one. Therefore, QR equal to RT. Therefore, angle TQR equal to angle RTQ. Why? Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this angle X, here X. Okay. X plus 150 equal to 180. Angle is some property of a triangle. So 2x equal to 30. X equal to 50. Okay, right. I think you already used 1 and 2, right? 1 and 2 used. So you write QR equal to RS, number 3. QR equal to RS, number 3, sides of a square. Then RS equal to RT, number 4. RS equal to RT, number 4. Okay. Number RS equal to RT, number 4. Number 4, sides of equilateral triangle. Number 3 and 4 we got QR equal to RT. QR equal to RT. Okay, therefore, angle TQR equal to angle RTQ. TQR equal to RTQ. Angle opposite to equal sides are equal. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal. Let angle TQR equal to angle RTQ equal to X. Okay. After that, in triangle TQR, X plus 150 equal to 180 degree. Angle some property of a triangle. Angle some property of a triangle. Therefore, 2x equal to 30, x equal to 15. X equal to 15. Okay, it's clear now. Okay, Marsuk, answer my question. This chapter, you did a test last Thursday, so that you didn't see this question, such a star mark question. Hello, the star mark one, you didn't do it. Marsuk, then why did you learn this one? Then what basis you are writing the test now? Just 3 classes only for you, correct or no? You have class on Thursday. Yeah, just 4 classes. Correct? Before your test, next 12th year test. So write this question now. Okay, next one, right? Two sides. Next question. Two sides AB, BC, and median AM. Two sides AB, BC, and median AM of one triangle. Two sides AB, BC, and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ, QR, sides PQ, QR, and median PM of triangle PQR. Median PN of triangle PQR. Show that one triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. Triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. 2. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. Listen. Once again, two sides AB, BC, and median AM of one triangle ABC are respectively equal to sides PQ, QR, and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. Triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. 2. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, try this one. Okay, try this one. You're supposed to get this question. Okay. Try first. Okay, okay, no problem. Okay. Okay. You try this one. Okay. Try this one. If not getting, tell me. Okay. Anyone had doubt this question? We did already. Hello? Are you getting or not? You draw figure AB, BC, and median. You did this question before. You can check your book. You can find out this question. It's a star question. That's why I did again. I'll get 3 more minutes. Finish it fast. Minna, are you getting this one? Okay. Okay, if not getting asked, I'll show this one. Okay. Okay. Look at here. Look, triangle ABC, A, B, C, PQR, PQR. Okay, AM and PN. Okay, what is given here? Hello, AB. Look, given what? AB equal to PQ. You wrote that all? Hello, you wrote that? What is given? AB equal to PQ. BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR. Median AM equal to median PN. First one to prove triangle ABM congruent to PQN. Then triangle ABC congruent to PQR. And who all got this question? Okay. This one this is your reader question. In last class, your test you did this question. Okay. If not getting, look at here. Hello. It start with the BC equal to QR. Look at here. If not getting, listen here. BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR. BC by 2 equal to QR by 2. That is BM equal to QN. Reason what? AM and PN are medians. Okay, then in triangle ABM and triangle PQN, AB equal to PQ given, BM equal to QN proved, AM equal to PN given. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. SSS congruency. SSS congruency. Okay. That's not getting right. Start like this. BC equal to QR. BC equal to QR given. BC by 2 equal to BC by 2 equal to QR by 2. BC by 2 equal to QR by 2. So BM equal to QN. BM equal to QN. In bracket, right? AM and PN are medians. AM and PN are medians. Then after that, in triangle ABM and PQN, ABM and PQN, AB equal to PQ, AB equal to PQ given. Bm equal to Qn, proved. Bm equal to Qn, proved. Am equal to Pn, Am equal to Pn, given. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. ABM congruent to triangle PQN. SSS congruency. SSS congruency. Therefore, triangle ABM congruent to triangle PQN. SSS congruency. Hence, that's one first part. Correct or no? First part is finished. Okay. Second part. Look. In triangle ABC and PQR, AB equal to PQ given. Angle B equal to angle Q. CPCT of triangle ABM and PQN. BC equal to QR given. Therefore, by SIS congruency, triangle ABC congruent to PQR. Okay, right first. Okay, so next question. Next one. Right. In figure. Hello, is this finished now? In figure. In figure. AB equal to EF. AB equal to EF. AB equal to EF. AB equal to EF. BC equal to DE. BC equal to DE. BC equal to DE. AB perpendicular to AB perpendicular to BC. AB perpendicular to BC. AB perpendicular to BD. EF perpendicular to EC. Then show that triangle ABD congruent to FEC. Okay. AB equal to FE. Angle B equal to angle E, 90 degree. When BC equal to DE. What do you have to prove? To prove triangle ABD congruent to FEC. Okay, try this one. Okay, try this one. Okay, finish. Okay, try this one. You got it? Okay. Okay, finish or not? Hello, we're all finished. Is it okay? Anyone doubt? If not doubt, I'll show the next question. Okay, I'll go to the next question then. If anyone doubt, okay. Okay, so next question then. Hello. Okay, right. Next one. In figure, it is given that AB equal to BC. In figure, it is given that in figure, it is given that in figure, it is given that AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC. In figure, it is given that AB equal to BC. In figure, given that AB equal to BC, AD equal to EC. AD equal to EC. AD equal to EC. Prove that 1. Triangle ABE is congruent to triangle CBD. CBD. 2. BD equal to BE. BD equal to BE. BD equal to BE. Okay, question. In AB equal to AC, then AD equal to EC. AD equal to EC. Given is what? AB equal to BC. Listen, AB equal to BC. Then AD equal to EC. Prove that triangle ABE congruent to triangle CBD and BD equal to BE. BD equal to BE. Okay, try now. Okay, try first. Okay, are you getting or not? Hello? Hello? Okay, I'll wait. Sanjay, getting or not? Okay. Finish. Look at here. I'll explain this question. Look at here. Look, BD equal to EC. Hello, listen up. BD equal to EC. Adding DE on both sides. What will get? Look. Hello, listen here. AD, look. AD equal to EC. Adding DE on both sides. AD plus DE equal to EC plus DE. That is AE equal to CD. Okay. After that, in triangle ABE and BCD, ABE and ACD, AB equal to BC, given angle B equal to angle C, angle opposite equal sides are equal. AE equal to CD, proved. Therefore, triangle ABE congruent to CBD, SAS congruency, SAS congruency. Okay, hence BD equal to BE, CPCD. Okay, I'll give the note. Right. First start, AD equal to EC. AD equal to EC, given. AD equal to EC, given. Adding DE on both sides. Adding DE on both sides, we get AD plus DE, AD plus DE equal to CE plus DE, CE plus DE. That is AE equal to CD, AE equal to CD. Okay, after that, in triangle ABE, in triangle ABE and ABE and CBD, CBD, AB equal to CB given, AB equal to CB given. Then angle A equal to angle C, angle A equal to angle C, angle opposite equal sides are equal, angles opposite equal sides are equal. Then AE equal to CD, AE equal to CD proved. Therefore, triangle ABE, ABE congruent to triangle CBD, ABD congruent, sorry, ABE congruent triangle CBD, SAS congruency. Hence, BD equal to BE, CPCT. BD equal to BE, CPCT. Okay. How many questions finished today? 7. These 7 questions, hello. These 7 questions you have to make sure before Thursday. Okay, Thursday anyway, no, before the next, today itself we study it. Today itself, okay? Thursday, listen, Thursday, DPS students, test DPS and listen, triangle reader plus extra questions and surface area, first 3 exercise, because your test portions. Okay, Bhavans, instead of surface area volumes, you have to learn circles. I hope clear now the test portions. Okay, this is enough today. You prepare this chapter now. Okay, with all reasons and all.